Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 24, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. Column B, we have 4, 3, 7. The three numbers can't come 3, 2 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. Fifth row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 9. 8th grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2, 1, 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come the 2 cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Second row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. First grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 7. Column H and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, then column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, 7th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in with the 2 cells. Third row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Sixth row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Ninth row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Sixth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column G, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column E, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.